Welcome back to the channel. I'm at Lynmouth. Again, we wanted to get a bit more north, but the fence is still up. I'm with Steve. It is, what time is it, Steve? Roughly? About 20 to 8. High water 20 to 11. Somebody's just come off the beach there saying it's too big. We'll give it a go. Get you back in a bit. It is still a bit big. All set up now. Let's chuck. Oh yeah. Well, you're right in the crevice there now, aren't you? All this for a flatty. Oh, the quillfish. Whew. I can get this back. Come on, Mr. Pom Pom. Difficult working my way through these rocks. Oh, no way! It's not a bad fish neither, Steve. Down there. I didn't think it'll work. I'd watch your rod, mine, because oh, you're not out, are you? One cam not into me leader neither. Oh, things you do for a fickin' fish. Keep an eye on the water for us. Oh, I can see it down there. Give some slack. A little bit more. Oh, I've dropped it down there. It's come off. Steve preparing his next caught wing baiting. It is 12:10, so it's dropping back there now. Hopefully that just wasn't a suicidal coddling. As you can see, sea's still really big, like. Fishing off this little bit platform here. Obviously these rocks to deal with as you're getting your fish. That's where I climbed down, just about there. Shouldn't have really for a fish like, but things you do. Also I'm fishing with two rods. I've got one here with gear stuck in the rocks down there. Might just leave that for now and maybe get it later when it drops back, if we're here that long. If not, I'll just have to cut it off. We're using cart sticks, blacks, fresh log, got squared, mussel. I'm mainly only using worm and cart sticks. Steve's rod's already gone over. We're further over that way earlier on. His rod just got launched out the stand. I've just built it and all. He's smashed it there. His reel's buggered as well. The mag on the 515 just keeps turning round and round and round. So yeah, been a bit of a chew today, but sometimes it's like that. Looks a bit fishy there. I think it's just the surf. I'll keep an eye on it.